Resonant experience was really interesting and meaningful for Fondazione Brodolini and for me in person, because during these three different trainings we share contacts, experience, best practices, but we experiment in first person these new tools, so it was really useful. I'm sure that we will use this experience again, and I hope to collaborate again with Facto and Social Business Hub Styria.
Yeah, now after 3 weeks meeting the partners from Italy and Spain, and obviously us from Graz, I learned a lot. I got to know the partners better. We had a lot of fun, a lot of interactions, a lot of debates, and we transferred a lot of good practices. And I hope we will exchange in the future, because it's inspiring and we can bring back home good ideas.
Yeah, the Resonate project in total has been a great experience, I think, for all of us. I think all companies of the 3 different countries had the chance to exchange ideas, learned lessons, and benefit a lot from these shared experiences. And I think this will be a huge help for all of us in each specific ecosystems to grow and support startups and companies in the social business industry in the future. And for me personally, it was a great experience to be here in Barcelona for the last couple of days. I haven't been here, this was the first time, but I've heard many great things, and it was nice to get to know the culture a little bit better, to make new acquaintances, to see how people work here in the social business industry. There were a lot of very inspiring projects, and I'm taking a lot of fond memories back home to me in Austria, and will tell a lot of people about this great event.
For Facto, Resonate has been such a good opportunity, because we have met with partners from Italy and from Austria, and together we have stronger all relations, and we will build together new projects with new initiatives that will have an impact, real impact, because we found that we are looking for the same things together in the near future. And for me, the Resonate has been an amazing experience, because we have traveled a lot, we met a lot of companies, new ways of doing business, social business, and we hope that this experience it will be helpful for our customers, for our entrepreneurs, and the people that we work with.